So first of all, what is academic misconduct? Well, it is any attempt to gain an unfair advantage in an assessment, including examinations or tests. Trying to gain an unfair advantage over fellow students on your degree course is a breach of academic standards in your institution and the ethical conduct expected of all university students. Any student found guilty of academic misconduct will face consequences. It is accepted that students sometimes make mistakes and are not sure about some of the rules around studying at university. So any misconduct offence will also be followed by further educational support that aims to develop your skills and help you avoid academic misconduct issues in the future. There are 4 main forms of academic misconduct. These are plagiarism, collusion, contract cheating and deliberate cheating. So what is plagiarism? Well, plagiarism is the deliberate use of someone else's language, ideas or other original material without acknowledging its source. In other words, it is trying to pass off someone else's words and images as your own. You can be accused of plagiarism even if you have accidentally used another author's work without citing or referencing it. To avoid being accused of plagiarism, remember to appropriately cite and reference all sources used in your assignment. If you need assistance on developing your knowledge and skill in this, contact the library and your local academic writing team. Collusion is when 2 or more students work together to complete an assignment and submit identical or substantially similar versions whilst claiming it to be their own individual work. It is also when a student submits a piece of work copied from another student after being given permission to access their assignment. So in other words, sharing your work with others for them to use. If you're working in a group on an assignment, make sure that you know the rules around the assignment submission. Speak to your tutor. Contract cheating refers to any practices where a student hires a third party to complete their assessed work, submits this as if it were their own. A third party includes essay mills, friends or relatives, people impersonating you at a test, and other similar practices. This is a very serious form of academic misconduct that tutors are increasingly on the lookout for. If there are any suspicions of contract cheating, specialist software will be used to investigate this. You may also be asked to attend an academic conduct meeting. Deliberate cheating is a combination of many types of academic misconduct. These include taking and using unauthorized materials into tests, such as calculators, crib sheets or notes. It could be gaining unauthorized access to examination papers or test papers, attempted bribery and contract cheating. Any form of deliberate cheating is taken very seriously and as such will have severe consequences for those found guilty. These consequences may range from 0 for the module through to temporary or permanent exclusion for very serious cases. If you have any questions or problems around academic misconduct, then please get in touch with your library or local academic writing teams, the Student Union Advice Centre and Welfare.